Hi guys, welcome to my first official YouTube video. So I thought I'd do a get ready with me, a hair and makeup. It's going to be quite quick. So firstly I'm going to start off with a bit of skincare. So I use my toner. I use this every day and night to get any dirt off my skin. So just spray it on a cotton pad. Also I'll put all the links to everything below, all the names if I can. So I won't mention anything right now, so I literally just go ahead and place it all over my face. Then I go ahead and use the Ordinary. It's like a magnesium or vitamin C daily cream, so I use this every morning and I just spread it all over. It's great for your skin if you have an in-between skin tone, so if you have dry and oily skin, this is great to use. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my hair now. So as you can see, I have a t-shirt on my head. I don't like to use towels only because it causes frizz. So it's great to use a t-shirt, especially if you have quite delicate curly hair as well. So I'm going to start blow drying first. So I evenly just separate my hair, start with the bottom, tie up the top. And I would go ahead and detangle, so I just comb the ends with a wide tooth comb, and then I start using my leave-in conditioners. So as you can see, I'm just combing the ends first, just in case there's any knots. And then I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner, so I'm using As I Am at the moment. It's great, like it has a great smell to it, and it's not too oily in your hair as well. So go ahead and apply that in the ends of my hair, and then I use Sheer Moisture leave-in conditioner as well. So once I put in my leave-in conditioner, I also apply Tresemme, what's it called? Heat Protector spray. So I use this to make sure my hair doesn't get damaged before I blow dry it. Then I go ahead and use my GHDs with a brush, and I just start blow drying from the ends first and then work my way up. Blow drying my hair normally takes around, probably say like 30 to 40 minutes, and I normally would do this like every week and straighten it. I try not to do it as much, but normally if I am going to straighten my hair, it's like every week or every other week. And then I don't like to get too close to the roots as well, so I'll just hover over it and just like brush down. Once I've done that, I'll just go ahead and wrap it up, and I'll start sectioning off the rest of my hair. Then once I've done, I just blow dry it all out and just make sure everything is like kind of straight. And then I wrap it up and I just check any shedding on my hair with my brush. Then I go ahead and use, I think it's a Paul Mitchell straightener, like titanium plates. They're pretty good straighteners for me. Don't really cause so much frizz, but my hair is literally prone to frizz all the time. So I go ahead and literally do the same thing that I did with blow drying. So I section out my hair, start from the bottom and work my way through. So I comb it again, and whilst I'm straightening it, I will comb it again, only because this helps if there is any missed knots that I missed out. So I just make sure I comb it. And I'll just do it like 2 or 3 times on each strand. I try not to do it too much, and because the straighteners are quite hot, I think they're like 150 degrees or something like that, Celsius degrees, not quite sure, but again I just go ahead and do that like 2 or 3 times. So start working through the rest of my hair. Normally takes me about 30-40 minutes to straighten, depending if I'm watching TV at the same time, but it's relatively quite quick. I will try and do another video on my hair care, as I've had to do like a really fast video on this. I can't believe I'm actually trying to keep up with the video as well. Once I've done with that, I normally just start wrapping up my hair after this. So once I've straightened the top, I wrap it up, I get some oil, so I'll put the links of what oil I use and just place in the ends, and then just wrap the rest of my hair just for a bit, just to conceal the ends and so they're not touching like any materials. So I'll just wrap it up from here. Then onto my makeup. So I use the Ordinary primer. Again, this is great for oily or dry skin. It just evens it out. And then I start off with my eyebrows first. So I've got quite fair eyebrows and I do need to get them plucked. But yeah, I'm just using here, I think it's the NYX Eyebrow Crayon, and it's got like a nice brush at the end of it as well. So I start by applying that, and then I go on to use LA Girl to make the shape that I would like. And I start using a brush and just brush it out. And then I apply another brush. I think I got this from TK Maxx or something. I just try to use another brush just to even it out with my skin tone, just to make sure it's all blended. And once I've done that, I go ahead and use an eyebrow brush just to push up the hairs a little bit. I don't have many hairs, like my eyebrows, again, they're very bare. So I try to give it a little bit of a definition. I'm going to use a NYX contour gel, so this lifts the brows a bit as well. Once I've done that, I then go on to use my LA Girl corrector. This gets rid of like any dark circles you might have under your eyes, so before I apply any of my foundation or concealer, this is great to use. And I go ahead and use a lighter tone for the LA Girl, so I start off by doing the contouring. And then I use Fenty Beauty as well. This is really great on the skin, like it's not too cakey as well, so it's quite even with the LA Girl. And I go on to use Charlotte Tilbury. I'm not really a makeup expert, so I literally just mix it all up together with the contour as well. It's just a lot easier for me. So I apply it on my jawline, cheekbones, and also my nose. This gives a lot of definition to the face and just brings out and enhances it. And I go on to use a NYX highlighter, which I think is great. It really makes your skin like more glowy. Then I go on to use my beauty blender. I clean this every day because of the dirt that it might have and the bacteria that might build up. So I go ahead and clean that first before I apply it to my face and blend in. Once I've done that, I then go on to use my eyeshadow. So I'm using Fenty Beauty at the moment. Normally tend to use like more the brown, goldy colours, I think because it's more natural on the eyes. Once I've done that, I go on to use Maybelline Eye Gel Eyeliner. I really like using this, only reason because the liquid one is quite sensitive to my eyes, so I think this is great to use if you just want to style up a bit, or if you've got quite sensitive skin. This is great, and it also helps like guide how you would like your eyeliner to look. Then I just start applying some like dots. I saw on a YouTube video ages ago and it's just like stuck with me. I think it's because I don't put mascara on the bottom, it just looks a lot nicer, it gives a bit of style to it. So here I'm just going to go ahead and use the Benefit mascara. It makes your eyelashes look a lot longer and curlier. Now I'm going to apply the Fenty banana powder. So I was using Ben Nye before, but I thought I'd switch it up, and this powder is great only because it's not too cakey on your skin. I don't really leave it on for so long, so I'll just place it in the areas that I know are going to get really oily and just leave it there for like a minute, and then I just start brushing it out. Now I'm going to apply the MAC bronzer. So I've been using this for about 6 months. It's not too cakey as well, like it's not too dark or too light on your skin, so it goes very well with like, I think it will go very well with any foundation or powder, to be honest. So I'll start putting on my cheekbones, jawline area, the neck area as well. I'll place it on the top of my forehead and also my nose to give it a little bit more definition to it. And then lastly, I will use the Fenty highlighter, so it's Hustla Baby. One of the best highlighters I've used, and because I find it hard for highlighters to show off my skin, so I think it's a great tone, great gold colours. And then I go ahead and use e.l.f. setting spray. And voila, that is my everyday makeup and hair. Sorry it's such a short video, I try to talk as much as I can. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions, please place anything below in the comments. But yeah, please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you so much.